Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about Sea Ray's brand new design of the 250 SDX with the Outboard. As you can see from the bow, we started at the bow of the boat because we wanted to see how the new design, it's where the hull is designed. It's designed to grip the water, so this will turn on a dime. It grips the water very, very well, as you can see. It's part of the brand new design, so performance-wise, it's fantastic. The new design on the sides of the hull, new for Sea Ray, really cool looking. And you've got the stainless steel rub rail insert, and you've got the Bimini tower, sports tower, which is the white tower, which prevents you from getting the canvas rattle at a higher speed. So very cool looking. The full design of this boat is they've really come a long way and really picking up the look of the boat, especially when you're on the water and especially the way it runs. As we get to the back of the boat, it's got the sea deck on the back, which is real comfy under the feet. And then it's powered by the Mercury 300 horsepower. Plenty of power for this boat. It's going to be somewhere around the 50-mile-an-hour range, which is more than enough speed for you. It does have the underwater lighting as well. And let's hop up on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 250 SDX with the Outboard, and let's start at the back. Again, I showed you the sea deck earlier. It does have an extra piece here, which protects the hoses for the engine, the hydraulic hoses, and you do have the charger and the USB outlets right here. We've got 3 drink holders. We've got a flag holder over here, and then this lifts up. And you've got very large storage if you want fishing poles or skis or whatever you need. The batteries are covered, so they've got the batteries down in a box and they're protected, so you're not throwing things on top of them. Keeps them dry and protected. And then very unique here. Again, with the Outboard, we have all this area to use where normally we would have the engine. So what you've got is you've got a nice, comfortable seating area, big seating area in the back. You can lounge. And if you get speakers, you get plenty of sound. You've got a cooler down below, so if you want drinks for people sitting in the back, you can fill that up with your drinks and ice it down. It's self-draining. More than enough room to not even last you a day, last you a week with the amount of drinks you can put in there. And then as we move forward, we've got the remote control for the stereo for the people on the back of the boat. You got grab rails going through, which is always handy. These are kind of new. They didn't used to have these before. And then you've got a really convenient place for the battery switch. So when you're coming on the boat, you can hit the battery switch right away, and you won't forget to shut it off when you're leaving the boat. So I love that. Sometimes they're under the seats and everything else. Here, they're perfectly located so you won't forget. And then if you're not going to be lounging in the back and you're going to be inside the boat, you've just got a switch here, and this will just slide all the way back. And then you just take the back and lift it up, and this is going to be your sitting area in the back. And as you see, you've got you've got a rail down here for holding on to drink holders. You've got a 110 charger right here, so if your batteries were to go dead, you could charge it back there and charge them up. So nice L-shaped seating here, and again, very large storage. Keep the legs for your tables. You keep the supports for the sun pad in there as well. Easy to get to. And then so you can lounge facing this way when you're not moving, but when you're driving, just lift it up. You can face forward, so nice comfy seat here. And over on starboard side, we've got a cooler conveniently located right there, totally out of the way, out of the sun, not moving around. Plenty of drink holders all the way around this boat. You can lounge this way, and again, when you're running the boat, you just slide it this way. So I lifted up the bolster there, which is how I like to use it. And the helm, it can come either with the gauges up here, or it can come with a GPS. So you can order it either way. You've got the remote control for the stereo right here, and just a nice clean dash. So one thing down here is new for a boat this size is they've included the active trim. So when you get up on plane, it'll actually trim the boat out perfectly, so you won't have to worry about actually, using the trailer trim to get the boat running at an optimum speed and RPM. So this is another unique feature for a 25-foot boat for Sea Ray. As you see, it's got a combination, so it's got the pump out head, and it's got a kind of a seating laying area here, and this piece right here actually just unsnaps right there, folds down, and now you've got a little lay down area here where if you needed to get out of the sun, if you ran into some weather and you needed to get out of the weather, nice dry safe place to go. It does have a window to give you some extra light. So very, very surprising for a 25-foot boat to have that kind of space underneath. As we move forward, you can see with the sound system, we've got a speaker right here. We've got a very large subwoofer down here, so you're going to get all the bass that you're going to need for this boat right there. And coming through the walkthrough. Nice seating area up here, so you're going to have that. There's two tables with two table legs, one for the rear of the boat, one for the bow of the boat. So this one would come here, come up, so it would cover everybody sitting in this area right here. Cooler down here for people that are in the front of the boat. So it's actually got coolers, three large coolers on this boat. Plenty of drink holders. And then something what we use down in the Naples area, we go island hopping, and we can go up to places like Key Waden, and we can drive right up to the beach, and you can deploy the ladder onto the sand, so you can get off the boat and board the boat without getting in the water and getting on the back of the boat. So for a lot of our customers, they really love this feature to not have to get wet every time you get on and off the boat. So fantastic boat. It for a 25-foot, Sea Ray has absolutely knocked it out of the park. Its performance is top performance on it. It's a very dry boat. Again, the handling is second to none as far as turning and that type of performance. So if you've got any questions on it, my name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194.